I'm cold.
Looks like fall when it feels like fall.
Try that again. Me. We are at La CITÉ in Carcassonne, and this is a medieval fortress.
We've stopped for these. I hope they're really good because they're like $2.25 each.
Me too.
It's not what I thought.
It's almost more like a cake.
I wouldn't personally go out of my way to get these the second time, but now we know.
True. We're having lots and lots of learning experiences lately.
What was the most interesting thing about that church?
For me, I like the stained glass windows.
Oh, not that there were palm trees inside?
Oh, well, that was interesting too. As far as the cemeteries go, this is not one of my fave. It's like bad decoration gone crazy.
Tacky glass flowers, gold plastic. So here are some of those portraits. It's like, what's going on here? Why are they all like that? Is why I want to, okay, not these. These have been left uncared for, but
these family members are dead.
gather this is a joke of some sort. This is something we don't normally do. A night adventure with Off the Cuff. We're going back to where we were this morning because apparently what I read online is that it's actually one of those things that's more interesting from the outside and at night. So we're gonna go see. It's a nice warm gold. We don't really know where we're going, but I think that's it. I think there are stairs there in the dark. The ramparts.
Yeah, I think there are too.
I think it's the other way. That doesn't look like a real path. It looks like a path people have made, but not a real path.
No.
We're turning around, viewers. We don't want to break our necks.
That's for sure.
Because I don't even know how to say I broke my neck in French.
Yeah.
Here we go. This is it. The temperature now isn't really any cooler than it was during the day.
It's true. It's kind of weird.
It's okay with me though. I don't have any more coats, so.
I know. I'm actually a little warm with my two sweaters on.
It's very mysterious on camera. Not too mysterious in real life.
I don't know.
Look how tall our shadows are.
Oh man.
Right, we're like the wax giants of Barcelona.
Yeah.
It's gonna be weird when we stop videoing our lives. I don't feel like we change too much for the camera. Like,
we don't change the camera, we just edit.
well, that's true.
So what you see is usually the best of us and then our bloopers, which are funny.
Yeah, and you get the revised version of us. In person, you get all the other stuff too. Off camera, off the cuff. We also don't really do anything for the sake of the camera. We film what we do. We don't do anything in order to film it.
That's true.
So far, and probably into the future. And
that's why it's off the cuff.
Entire lifetime of this vlog. That's right. Yeah, we're not doing anything special out of the way, just to make a video about it. Want to share your thoughts on this place?
I thought they did a good job repairing it, even with kind of hokey repair looks.
But like, look at this tower.
Okay, so the concrete blocks are kind of obvious and not so good. But still, on the whole, they did a good job, I thought.
So what do you think? Cooler by day or cooler by night?
I like both because I saw different stuff at the different times.
A reminder that it may look old, but it's partly modern.
I wonder if it is much fun.
Maybe. It tastes like some kind of Halloween candy egg.
Circus peanuts? It's pretty dark. I think it's Romanesque in architecture.
I always found that period to be light and airy.
Yes, Kenneth Clark. I suppose you would. What you would do if you had a hurricane batting down there?
It's probably against the Mistral or whatever it's called. That crazy wind they get later in the year. According to Peter Mayall's book, my only source of knowledge on Provence.
This isn't Provence.
No, we're not even in Provence. Might not be very helpful. Look at this restoration work. It's so shoddy. It's just these cement blocks with fake brick or stone protrusions. And it's just so obvious and ugly.